Z-Wave is a wireless protocol that enables smart devices to communicate securely in a mesh network. This allows devices to relay signals through each other for extended range and reliability. Your Schlage lock and ring alarm base station use Z-Wave to connect. This creates a secure communication link between your smart lock and the alarm system. Ensure your Schlage lock is Z-Wave compatible, such as the Encode Plus or Connect series models. These models are specifically designed for Z-Wave integration. The ring alarm base station serves as the central hub for Z-Wave devices. It coordinates communication and manages the network of connected devices. Finally, make sure your Ring app is updated to version 5.2 or higher. This ensures compatibility with the latest Z-Wave features and security updates. First, install the latest Ring app on your smartphone and log in. Power on your Ring alarm base station and ensure it's in pairing mode. The LED should be flashing. Next, put your Schlage lock into inclusion mode. This usually involves pressing and holding the Schlage button until the LED flashes amber. Refer to your Schlage lock's manual for specific instructions. Start by opening the Ring app and tapping Menu to access the main options. From the menu, select Devices to view and manage your connected devices. In the Devices section, tap Add Device to begin adding a new device to your system. Choose Locks from the device categories to proceed with adding a lock. Select Z-Wave Lock to specify the type of lock you're adding, which is compatible with the Ring alarm system. Tap Start Pairing to initiate the connection process. The app will begin searching for your Schlage lock. Bring your Schlage lock close to the Ring alarm base station, ideally within 10 feet, to ensure a strong connection during pairing. The Ring app will automatically detect and pair your Schlage lock. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once paired, test the connection immediately. Use the Ring app to remotely lock and unlock your Schlage lock. The lock should respond within a few seconds. If it doesn't, you may need to exclude the lock and retry the pairing process. Now, configure access codes, schedules, and notifications within the Ring app. Set up schedules for automatic locking and enable notifications for access events. Integrate the lock with your Ring alarm modes, such as automatically locking when you arm the system in away mode. If pairing fails, check for potential Z-Wave interference from other devices, such as routers. Try moving devices closer together during the pairing process. Ensure your Ring alarm base station and Schlage lock have the latest firmware updates. For persistent problems, contact Ring support for assistance.